In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips to make sure your new payment option works smoothly. First, open your browser and go to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed into the right account that manages the campaigns you want to pay for. Once you're in, look for the main menu and head to Billing. This is where Google Ads groups everything related to payments, invoices, and your transaction history. Inside Billing, find the section labeled Payment Methods. This is the hub for adding a new card or bank account, updating an existing one, and choosing which method is the default. If you see Payment Methods, great. Click it to continue. If you don't see the Payment Methods option, don't worry. There are a few common reasons. You might not have the right permissions. Only users with administrative or billing access can change payment methods. If you're in a manager account, you may need to open the specific client account to manage its billing. In some countries or for certain billing setups, options can be limited, especially if the account is on monthly invoicing or has a special billing arrangement. Also, accounts that are suspended or have unresolved verification issues may hide these settings. If any of that sounds like your situation, check your access level, confirm you're in the correct account, and review any alerts at the top of your Google Ads dashboard. Once you're in payment methods, you can add a new payment method or edit an existing one. To switch cards or bank accounts, add the new one first, then set it as the primary or default method. You can remove old methods after the new one is active, but it's smart to keep the old one in place until your first successful charge on the new method goes through. When entering details, make sure the billing address matches what your bank or card issuer has on file. For bank accounts, some regions require a quick verification, which can involve confirming small test deposits. After saving your changes, give it a moment and refresh the page to confirm the new default is set. Charges already in progress may still post to the previous method, but new charges should honor your updated default. If you run into errors, double-check card expiration dates, available funds, and any messages in the billing section. That's it. You've navigated to billing, opened payment methods, and changed your payment method in Google Ads with confidence.